Hello, hello. Jacob Lundquist here from JLQ. How y'all doing today? Today, gonna have a little teardown of the CIVIVI Courser. Gonna see what the skeletonized liner locks are all about, and maybe dive into why this guy is so thick. That's one complaint I've been hearing. Ergo's actually pretty darn good on it, but it is just a kind of a beefier knife in the width of it, not the overall size. I mean, it's a pretty narrow look. Big fan of it. Let's get on it. So I'm going to start by taking out the pivot. Got a T8 here. Yeah, non-free spinning pivot. Didn't feel like any thread locker was in there that I could feel. Let's give it a good look. Yeah, there's something there. Some gunk. See some thread locker. Put that right there. Give it a good look. Nothing too crazy. So I have one screw here on the clip side. Got two here. So I think I'm gonna go with this side. I haven't seen actually a video anybody done this knife yet, so I am liking so far though. T8 looks like across the board on these screws. Love that. Uh-oh. See that one spinning with it? Why is that spinning? Okay, I was able to get this side out. Have to dive into that a little bit. What is going on there? This is a G10 backspacer here, but I don't know what that really is in. Push the pivot out. Huh.
Let me get the boy out here before I do something. Sorry, ball bearings. I'm just confused with this backspacer here. What is going on there? Can't push it out. It just spins. Alright. Look at this clip too. This is a titanium milled pocket clip. It's just spinning too. Gotta say, I'm a little confused. Okay.
Alright, got one out. So these are just shafts in there. And that's why that one's spinning. Just spins in there. Huh. So here's a good look at what CIVIVI's got going on here. So it looks like they milled these in. The other ones have the liners are actually kind of flush with the back. So I think with that, then they were able to, but for some reason they decided to do they actually milled these in to the G10. See all the machining marks there. I'm a machinist too. I always love seeing milling marks, so that's really cool. They've all milled in there, really well done. Unlike the North Arm, where it's all, they got the one side kind of milled in where the where your lock bar is, but the other side is all just solid G10. This guy, they've milled them both in. I don't know, the thought would be maybe to keep it thin, but it actually feels thick. Maybe it's just because all they did really is barely chamfer these things, round them off, so it feels pretty boxy and square. can't get this one out because that screw won't come out, but I'll do my best cleaning this guy up. There's the G10 back spacer. Titanium pocket clip. Nice and thin. I like the little details, the little 3 slashes, just like the blade as well. There's a good look at the VG10 blade. You can see there. VG10. This side is really sharp out of the box. We, CIVIVI, really rocked it out. So let's clean this guy up a little bit. Actually trying out this EDCI formula. This guy, Mr. Skelton, actually I think purchased this company or started it back up or whatnot. I did a little bit of work with him doing some illustration stuff, but I decided I better try the product too. So I went on the website, purchased this up. This stuff shipped so fast, it was at my door. Love that. So awesome service. And so this is honestly the first time I've used it, so I'm just gonna spray it on everything. And this is supposed to be really good care for guns, anything metals, any rust preventative. So I'm gonna make sure this VG10 stays nice and clean. Just getting inside all the nooks and crannies.
I don't see any ramp for the detent at all. Just a little track there, so I'll make sure I lube that up when the time is right. Clean out these scales. Oh, they seem to do a really nice job. Everything's well machined. No burrs or anything I can see. Got the OD green. So far during my review, the only thing I really found is really has to do with the room on the liner lock itself. Get your thumb in there. I'm just not. I got big thumbs, so I'm just not a huge fan of that. I liked nice little cutout there for your thumb to go into. And let that depress. I'll show you how I get this thing back together. But you don't have that kind of room with the Courser. So that's probably my biggest complaint so far in the review. You got your. I always want to see the detent ball pressed in. I gotta say, the action on this thing is really nice. No complaints with the action. I am going to be really happy if I can get it even smoother. And out of the box, it was nice. Got a little bit of schmutz in there. What is that? Oh!
Is that how they do the non-rotating pivot? Yep. So I thought that was like a extra piece of material accidentally, but it's actually for the pivot. It has a little flat there. Very cool. Well done, CIVIVI. Well done. I was wondering how you're doing that. Not bad at all. It does the job. That's what matters. All right, I'm just going to put a little bit of stuff on a rag here and just kind of
clean out those ceramic ball bearings. You should, if they're full of dirt and stuff, they're going to bind up. But if you keep your knives clean and, just normal working conditions, they should be just fine. Well, there we go. That was pretty easy. See if we can put this thing back together. So I'm just going to start putting the liner back in its right area. Kind of lay everything out here so I know how it goes again. What's that there? Alright. Is that the clip? Bing, bang, boom.
I got some nano oil here. I like to use that, 10 weight. And just going to put a little bit on the blade itself where the bearings ride. Put those in there for now. I'm going to rotate them around a little bit, work them. So I did notice there's no washers here at all. It's interesting. So everything's just riding on the stainless steel. You can see a little bit of the wear track.
There, so put a little bit on that. Those are coated stainless steel liners. And before I put the pivot in, put a little bit on the pivot. So the blade can rotate on a well-lubricated surface. So I think that is about it. I'm going to go with the pivot side first. So make sure I get the right side here. That's how they lock that logo in the right spot. Just like that. Very cool. Very simple construction. I mean, that's what I love about that. It really is just nice. Just easy. Sweet. Love it. And this side going, I think I got everything. Should just be the screws and the pivot. Okay. There we go. Get this pivot started. I like that big beefy pivot. I mean, it's really, nice low head screw. A little bit of bling on the outside, nice and shiny, little indentation there carved in. Just, it's simple, but it works. That's what, like that KISS principle, right? Keep it simple, stupid. Nothing wrong with keeping it simple. I'm just going to snug this up, just ever so slightly. Gotta remember what side I'm. This is a reversible clip. I was like, crap, what side is my clip side? That's my show side. This is the side I want my clip on. So, I want to put this screw here. So I do like CIVIVI. I would help them with the AMB people. If they want to try to flip it around, that's great. Well done. I mean, they're scoring pretty big marks on this knife. I personally like the design choices. I'm a big fan of the just the lines of this guy. So, all right. Clip just falls in there. Very nice. All right, let's snug that up. Not really doing anything with my tension. Just snug everything up on the back, on the pivot.
It's pretty snug, so I'm just going to back it off just a little bit. Might be a little too tight. Work it in a little bit. It's a little tight. We'll check for blade play. Oh, that was a little too loose. Right about there. A little bit of blade play. Lateral up and down, side to side. Not bad at all. Spray that one more time. We'll get it nice and shiny here. What do you guys think of this blade? I don't know, I'm a fan. Thing is sharp, slicey, flat grind, lot of belly. Love that. This is the CIVIVI has a couple lines now. They have like a $42 line. Now this is like a $68 line. So you get the ceramic bearings, you get VG10 steel, you get a titanium pocket clip. That's kind of the upgrades. That I think that's how they're justifying the prices anyway. Oh. That's how they're justifying the prices.
So, yeah, sorry about that. But all in all, I've been very happy. This is definitely, I'm doing a lot of comparison with the North Arm Skaha. And, I mean, this guy, let's look at the action. So this thing is incredible. I'm just going to let everybody know that. I mean, it has a nice drop shut. But CIVIVI is not far behind. That thing just got me. So this is, I think I paid $160 for this. And I paid $68 for this. So you're getting, there's $100 there. It's kind of hard. You got steel, yeah, a lot better steel here. Oops, sorry. You got the S35BN here. This is incredible steel. All CNC machined by two wonderful guys up in Canada, British Columbia. Love this knife. This thing is an ergonomic dream. It is beautiful and absolutely one of my favorite
Knives to carry. But I saw this and I just had to jump on it. It has just been a really fun blade. So I think I got her a little bit smoother there with a little cleaning. There's a little gunk. They're not bad though. But the thing just fires like a dream. Lockup is great. Centering is, look at that, spot on. And she just fires. Boom. Well, there you are, folks. Really appreciate you stopping by. And look forward to the review of the CIVIVI Courser coming at you very soon. Take care and have a great day.